Boost your English skills with quick listening tips. Hey everyone! Welcome to English by Gohar, where we help you master English with fun and easy tips. Today we're diving into quick listening strategies that will skyrocket your English skills. So stay tuned till the end. 1. Listen to English every day. The key to mastering listening skills is consistency. Just like going to the gym, the more you practice, the better you get. Try listening to podcasts, audiobooks, and English TV shows daily, even if it's just 10 minutes a day. 2. Use active listening. Passive listening is great, but active listening is even better. Here's how. Pause and repeat new words. Write down key phrases. Try summarizing what you heard. 3. Start with slow audio, then speed up. If native speakers sound too fast, start with slow English podcasts or YouTube videos with subtitles. Then, gradually increase the speed to challenge yourself. 4. Shadowing technique. This is a powerful trick. Listen to a sentence and immediately repeat it out loud, copying the pronunciation and rhythm. This helps improve both listening and speaking skills. 5. Watch with and without subtitles. First, watch with subtitles. Second time, turn them off and challenge yourself. Third time, check your understanding. This will train your ears to recognize English sounds naturally. 6. Practice with real conversations. Join English-speaking groups, language exchange apps, or even talk to yourself. The more you engage, the more confident you'll become. Final tip. Make it fun. Choose content you love, movies, music, sports commentary, so that learning never feels like a chore. That's it for today's episode. Try these listening tips and let me know in the comments which one works best for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome English learning content. See you next time.